शौक हुए ना
मुकेश अंबानी जी, जब मैंने कहा कि सबसे पावरफुल या ताकतवर व्यक्ति हमारे साथ है, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं? आप मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मानता हूँ, मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं।
Know a couple shooters that hit you on the block. Ain't a janitor, but I hit you with a mop. Better watch your friends, they quick to turn the odds. Ain't no Star Watch, yeah, my shit go TikTok. Jumping in.
शौक हुए ना
में कोई ऐसा देश है जहां पर सिटीजन का रजिस्टर नहीं है, जो भी जाए वो नागरिक बन सकता है? राहुल जी, आप चले जाओ अमेरिका में, नागरिक बन जाओ। बन सकते हो क्या? कोई देश है? और क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी ये कहना चाहती है कि दुनिया भर में से कहीं से भी मुसलमान आए, क्योंकि हिंदू को ले रहे हो तो आप उसको भी स्वीकार कर लो? इस प्रकार से देश चलते हैं? इस प्रकार से देश चल सकते हैं क्या?
They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming.
शौक हुए ना
If that is the case, why don't we say, look, this is a myth. It may not be history, but it is close to our hearts. We feel very strongly about this. Padmini is an important part of the Indian imagination, just as, let's say, Ulysses of the Odyssey is to the West. But in the West, you have classical studies, you have cultural studies. Here, why are we saying, why instead of trying to prove that, let's say, plastic surgery or cars and planes existed in ancient India, why don't we just accept it's not history, but it's important to us? So as a filmmaker, why are you being insensitive to something that is so important to me culturally? Why don't you say that?
I'm sorry, you are very rude to the Indian ethos and the Indian scholarship.
That's what you feel. That is what you feel, but
when you are
answer the question,
citing
sir.
the example of plastic surgery, you are making fun of Sushrut and Charak. You are making fun of the entire tradition of the Indian medicine and the Indian surgeons that is on record. And for you, because you won't believe Hindis or Hinduwalas, you will believe on the British and the Goras. There is a great reservoir of British writers who have written about the plastic surgery, about Sushrut, about Charak, and about how the Indian medicine was at its pinnacle when there were no Cambridge and no Howard. So don't make fun of your own country's ethos. Number one. Number two, you say Ram is a myth, you say Krishna is a myth. Why would you like to impose your viceroy's vision on the Hindus alone and make Hindus as a subject of the secular laboratory reforms? Hindus will not allow this.
शौक हुए ना
should run for president next in America. Okay. Sohail, we're sending you to Trump land. Swapan, you're up next.
Thank you, Barkha. Now, Prasun Joshi asked a very leading question. And he said, how many people have heard of post-truth? And you answered. Now, I want to tweak that question a little bit. How many people had heard of the term post-truth 2 years ago? Correct. Yeah, only one had. Great for you, sir. Now, what was the change? What was the change in these 2 years, in this 1.5 years? कि कोई आदमी चुनाव हार गया. That was the fundamental change. Some people who thought that they had a monopoly of the truth, that they had a monopoly over wisdom, found that the masses didn't agree with them on the question of Brexit. Then my friends like Barkha Dutt and her ilk.
Hey, I have to get to be a speaker today. You can't pick on the moderator without allowing rebuttal.
They decided that they had the monopoly. They knew exactly how the people of America wanted to.
Yes.
The people of America thought that maybe we hate one person more than we like one person. So they voted somebody who you might think is a bit crazy. But that's the reality. So losers of the world come together and say, this is now the post-truth. We have all been manipulated. Barkha Dutt mentioned that 13 million tweets of some false story which allegedly Trump supporters had put out.
Stanford. It's a Stanford study.
Oh, it's the same difference.
Post-truth.
Stanford University professor said there is a 99% chance that Hillary Clinton will be president. Now, if I was to believe Stanford University, now, Barkha, that 13 million tweets have been circulated. Now, what about the 13 years you spent relentlessly saying someone is a mass murderer?
Sir, please name the person. Please name the person. Name. Attribution.
The people of India elected him Prime Minister, so you say he too is part of the post-truth. So, everything is post-truth. You know, it reminds me, some time ago, I was talking in on a session on Winston Churchill, and it came to mind that Churchill had written a book. Then this old gentleman, Arthur Balfour, who was the Prime Minister, and said, I believe Winston has written a book about himself, and he's called it The World Crisis. So this is precisely what we see. Angst-ridden people who are now confused, who want to say, look, it is all false consciousness. We are the repository of the entire truth. If people don't believe us, they have been manipulated. None of you have any wisdom. The people of America don't have any wisdom. The people of Britain don't have any wisdom. The people of India don't have any wisdom. It reposes in the hands of a few professors of Stanford University, maybe Brown